to place the text behind any subject. First of all, you have to decide on which part you want to add the text. So suppose I've decided that I want to add the text on this part. So I've made a cut of this clip, and then I have to make a duplicate of it. So I will press Alt or Option and drag it up. So once that is done, right click on the top layer and select Replace with After Effects Composition. And it's going to ask you save it somewhere and give it a name. And that's going to launch the Adobe After Effects. It's going to create a composition with that. So it has only this part. Now you have to come over here on the top, select Roto Brush tool, and make sure the resolution is full to have the better result. And then you have to just double click on this layer and then just paint over the subject, and it's gonna make a selection. And if there is a need, just add more to the selection. And if you want to remove certain area from the selection, just press Alt and then paint again. That would remove these parts from the selection. So doing this is just refine the selection and move your playhead on each frame and do the same. The more time you will spend doing this, better result you will get. Once done, click on the freeze, and then it's going to take some time to render out those frames and remove the background. So once done, just go back to the composition, and here you will see that the background is now removed. Now write any text and bring that text under the clip. And you can customize this where you like, save. And if you will go back to the Premiere Pro here, you will see that the text is now added behind the subject. In this case, the text is light and even background is also light. So we can just change the color to something else which is darker. Let's say red and save it. Go back and you will see that it has been updated. And if you want to know more tricks, check out this playlist.